We've been told that healing from a breakup is just about time, or that magical thing called closure. But most people, they are not grieving the person. What you are really grieving is the story. What you are really grieving is the future you imagined, the version of you that existed with them. You're not crying over their hoodie. You are mourning the Sunday mornings, the wedding, the life you pictured. You are grieving the dream. And your brain, it doesn't really know the difference between real memories and imagined ones. So, of course, it hurts. Researchers have found that emotional pain after a breakup activates the same parts of the brain as physical pain. So, heartbreak isn't just in your head, it's in your body. So, stop thinking you should be over it by now, because you're not being weak, you are just wounded. And that wound deserves care. By the way, if you are needing a little help reconnecting with yourself, I've created something just for this moment. These are 10 powerful free self-love affirmations. You can download it right now and it's totally free. It's soothing, empowering, and designed to help you feel grounded again. Check the link in the description below. All right, let's keep going. Here's the truth. You think you miss them, but what you actually miss is the way you felt around them. Seen, heard, valued, that feeling. It didn't come from them, it came from you. Which means you can access it again, anytime, without needing anyone else to give it to you. You are not trying to get them back, you are trying to get yourself back. So let's talk about how to start healing in a real, grounded way. 1. Stop chasing closure. Closure isn't a conversation, it's a decision you make. 2. Reclaim your identity. Make a list of 10 things that make you, you, and then go do them. 3. Feel your damn feelings. Let it out, girl. Feel it all the way through so it can move out of you. 4. Get curious, not bitter. And ask yourself, what did I learn from this? What is this breakup teaching me about my needs? And this is where transformation actually starts. You don't have to go back to who you were before them. You get to become someone new, someone more aligned, more grounded, more you. Because you're not healing to return to the old version of yourself. You are healing to become the version you were always meant to be. And if you are ready to take that inner work even deeper, I created a beautiful calming audio workshop called the Self-Worth Reset. It's designed to guide you through the real inner shifts that start rebuilding your confidence and worth from within. It has several bonuses and a workbook with exercises. You'll also find the link below in the description. So if you are still in pain from that breakup, you're not broken, you are human. You love deeply, you dream big, and now you get to rebuild. You get to come home to you. Because the next chapter might be just your best one yet. If this helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more real heart healing conversations, and send this to someone who needs to hear it. Don't forget, grab your free self-love affirmations and check out the Self-Worth Reset audio workshop. Both are linked below. And take whatever you need and serves you. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video.